Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off find my device in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Click on the setting icon. Now you will see many options here. Scroll up some more and click on the security option. Click on the security. Now you will see many more option here, and here you will see find my device option. So click on the find my device, click on that, and here you will see find my device is on in your mobile phone. So if you want to turn off find my device in your mobile phone, so you will off this. In this way find my device is off in your mobile phone. So it means that if you in this way, if your mobile phone is lost, that will not help you to find your mobile phone, because find my device is off in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.